Anybody na gustong patibayin ang kanyang team will greatly benefit sa topic na to. If it talks about trust building, nako, it's going to transform your business, your team, your organization. Napaka-simple ang topic, napaka-common na topic, pero marami ang ina-underestimate ang bagay na to. We all know this, but it pays to be reminded more often, lalo-lalo na if your organization is growing. Kasi nga, we all know, trust is the foundation. Pag walang trust, walang collaboration, walang proper communication. Pag walang trust, there is high level of disrespect, high level of conflict. Grabe ang office politics. And sooner or later, when trust is thrown out of the window, business will collapse. There is no such thing as ma-sustain, ma-protect, ma-save a business, company, organization, or relationship kung absent na ang trust. That's why this is one of the topics that you should talk more often sa iyong team. And ang kagandahan nito is that you can have multiple angles kung saan mo siya pasukin. You can have multiple approaches kung paano mo siya i-deliver. But the thing is, pag tayo nalagay sa ating isipan front and center to really take serious consideration in building and sustaining trust, everybody will benefit. So the title of this program is Building Trust, Brick by Brick. Ano bang objective? To establish a foundation of trust among your team members para ma-enhance ang kanilang collaboration and mutual support. So ideas, again, maganda na ilagay sa tarpaulin, o ilagay sa board, ilagay sa projector itong objective. So that tayo guided. And you can highlight words that you feel like yun ang gusto mong idiin. For example, dito sa akin, I'd like to highlight the word enhance. Why? It's because when we say enhance, we are proactive in our desire to build trust. It's not enough, I trust you, but you don't demonstrate and you don't do something to actively grow that trust. Training proper English. Mayroon tayong Taglish nito. Introduction, 5 minutes. You need to define and discuss its role in creating supportive and collaborative work environment. But even better, ask questions to define trust at paano ito napaka-essential sa pagkakaroon ng collaboration, sa pagkakaroon ng harmonious work environment. So you can ask questions. Share examples of how trust can make or break team dynamics. So you do your research, especially yung mga malalaking kumpanya na kilala globally na naging mitsa ng kanilang pag-collapse, yung wala ng trust ang kanilang mga tauhan sa kanila. At meron naman na dati, cellar dweller sila, kulelat, but when they worked actively to build trust among their members, their co-workers, lumaki ang kanilang kumpanya, tumaas ang kanilang sales, at tumaas ang kumpiyansa ng mga customers nila sa kanila. See, if we don't trust each other, you can say that to your participants, if tayo mismo, we don't have a strong foundation of trust, how can we expect our partners, our clients, our suppliers, the market will give us their trust? Yes or yes? So dito sa iyong introduction, you can extend to 10 minutes kasi napakaganda mag-open up. Or you can ask also, how about in your personal life, in your relationship, in your family, what happens pag hindi mo na trusted ang iyong partner? What happens if your pastor breaks the trust among your members? What happens if hindi mo na pinapaniwalaan yung best friend mo? Things like that. Now, activity trust tower 15 minutes. So, pwede kang gumawa ng structure or Jenga, or pwede kang mag-drawing dyan sa whiteboard, tower. And then, each ng block we're in, pwede nilang sulatan yan, yung building blocks niya. Ano yung component na magiging matibay itong ating trust tower. So, each participant writes one thing pwede they admire about a team member on this team. I want you to write something that you believe admirable sa tao na yan, admirable sa kasama mo. Then, sticky notes are stacked to build a tower of trust. Then, trust is a vital component for us to collaborate, for us to win together, for us to elevate our organization. And the reason na meron itong activity is for them to reflect on how acknowledging the strengths of each other the admirable qualities build trust. Right? Sometimes, hindi natin to pinapalabas sa ating mga sakop, sa ating mga members. So therefore, akala ng mga kasamaan, ng mga teammate, wala silang silbi. Mababa ang trust rating nila sa kapwa nila or trust rating nila sa when you do this, ang ganda ng epekto kasi minsan, hindi niya alam na strength pala yun. Hindi niya alam na admirable quality pala yung meron siya. And from somebody na least expected niya, sinulat yung quality na yun, that person will feel better. Okay? And that person will trust that somebody who gave that appreciation sa kanya. Right? And will also trust the team. Ito pala ang mga kasama ko. Nakikita rin nila, nare-recognize nila yung aking talent, yung aking skills, yung aking strengths, yung aking contribution to our organization. Number 3, discuss in 10 minutes. Ask participants, how does trust impact our work? Okay. Then, identify barriers to trust in your team, then brainstorm solutions. Ang ganda itong topic na ito. Okay. Then, action plan for 10 minutes. Teams commit to one specific behavior. Well, guys, I want you to write in a piece of paper one specific behavior that you know will strengthen trust. Trust sa, okay, unang-una, sa sarili mo. Number 2, trust sa ka-teammate mo. Number 3, trust sa profession or career mo. Number 4, trust sa iyong superior or management. Number 5, trust sa company, sa ating mission and vision. Then, after that, set a weekly trust checkpoint to review progress. So, again, you can make this 30 minutes na program or 45 minutes. Pwede mo ito i-expand, lalo mong diinan yung mga activities, yung Q&A, yung feedback, lalo kong magbigay ng maraming examples on how trust can make or break our business, our relationship, or you form a team of 3, okay, and let them discuss each ano sa tingin nila ang maka-make or break sa kanilang team members o sa organization, sa kanilang mga managers or leaders, sa kanilang mga customers or clients, things like that. So make this collaborative kasi that's the purpose of this training anyway, to establish trust so that they become more collaborative. The highlight of this is really bringing out the best in each and everyone by letting them identify ano yung mga strengths, mga skills, mga talent, contributions, ang kanilang mga pwedeng ma-share na mga resources. And make it a point na yung kanilang mga sinulat, meron kang copy. And pwede mong ilagay dyan sa wall of fame. Or you can be creative about it. You assign your secretary. Nakunin yung mga sinulat nila, sticky notes, then pwede mo siyang gawing pwede mo ipalaminate, pwede mo gawing bookmark, okay? Pwede mong ilagay sa inyong monitor, say for the whole picture niya, anong nagbigay appreciation, and then sino yung ina-appreciate niya, tsaka yung sulat ko. You can make a poster out of it. There's so many things that you can do. So this is the simple yet highly effective, highly engaging, highly revealing na training program about building trust brick by brick by strengthening collaboration, by encouraging mutual support in your organization. See you next.